What's up, guys? It's J Renee, and yeah, I have not been uploading on YouTube. I just had I okay, so I think I've already filmed something that I still haven't uploaded yet. That I briefly explain what's been going on. I have my new studio that I still have not shown you guys a little tour. That's coming up. I really want to show you guys my cute little studio. I'm so happy to be here. And also, just a lot of stuff happening, like a lot of crazy stuff. So, but I'm glad to be back on here and sharing some new content with you guys. Specifically, today I'm going to be sharing new PR. I'm actually been added to a new PR list, and I'm going to share that with you guys today. I've been added to Revolution Beauty London PR list, and I'm honestly not familiar. I've heard of Revolution. I've maybe seen some of the products, but it's not one that I've tried before. I've never tried any Revolution products that I'm aware of. So this is my first PR package from Revolution, and I want to show you guys what it looks like. Oh, cute. Look how it matches what I'm wearing. Like, that was not planned at all. It says quality, affordable, cruelty-free beauty for everyone. You are the revolution. Well, gee, that sounds exciting. I do like that. And on the inside, it's a little insert. It says Contour Studio. I always say Contour Studio. Sculpt, lift, and define with Revolution Contour Studio. So, okay. So it looks like it is a little description of some of their contour products. They have a fast-based contour stick available in 4 shades. They have a contour compact available in 4 shades. Fair, light, medium, and deep. That seems to be, yeah. And then they have a Revolution Ultra Cream Bronzer that is available in 5 shades. And that's light, medium, dark, deep, and deep dark. Deep dark? What? Light, medium, dark, deep, and deep dark. Okay, that's interesting. Oh, you know what? I really dislike these because they get everywhere. I had another package come like last week that had this like black crinkly paper in it, and all the little crinkles ended up in my shower somehow, and I'm just like, what is it doing in there? So let's see what all is in here, and then I can talk about the products some more. I think it's just those 2 products. Well, geez, this is a lot of crinkle for 2 products. Okay, so they sent me 2. Oh, wait. Is it 2 or 3? Yep, 2 products. Thought I felt something else in here, but it's just the cardboard. I'd have to dump all this out just to make sure, but I'm pretty sure it's just those 2. Set that aside. That was an interesting sound experience. They sent 2 products, and one is the fast-based contour stick. They sent me the shade. Where does it say the shade on here? Light. It's up at the top. Kind of hard to find if you're blind like me. So let's just rip it open. Oh my gosh, so much packaging. It has tape on it, and I'm kind of nervous to pull it because I feel like I'm gonna break my nail. This here, ooh, so I kind of like this packaging. It's pretty sleek. It feels nice. Like, this feels kind of luxurious. I was expecting it to be more of like a, I don't know, this brand, I've heard of it, but I wasn't really sure of the quality. But yeah, this is nice. Quality, affordable. Okay, yeah, they got the quality right, because this looks like high end. And this is, it looks like a double-ended stick. So it comes with 2 shades. One is the lighter shade, and then on this side it's like the contour. So it's contour and like a highlight almost. That's kind of what it looks like. Well, should I swatch it? I think I will. Fast base contour stick, double-ended contour and highlight. Okay, so yep, that's exactly what it is. Let's swatch because I'm curious. We have the contour on this side and the highlight on this side. So I do like the contour shade, but this highlight is a little yellow for me. I don't think that I would be using that that highlight shade much. I mean, I'm so fair, so it probably won't really show up on me. It looks more like a foundation. I could maybe use it for like some coverage to hide blemishes more than using it as a highlighter. Pretty cool. I do like the concept of this, and I'm already a fan of Revolution just from this first product. I wasn't expecting that at all. I was expecting something else. This other product is called the Contour Powder Compact, Revolution Contour Powder Compact, and gee, I really hate this tape. I mean, I understand that they need the tape for, you know, to prevent someone from taking the product out in the stores, or just the package being open before it gets to the customer, but I find it highly annoying. Gee, and then like the other end of the package doesn't even have tape, so I could have just opened that in. Duh. All right. Ooh, I like the color of the package. Oh, it's so nice. Like the compact is nice and matte. Raised lettering. Okay, this is nice. Oh shoot. So this is a contour palette, and this is the shade Light, but I will say the contours on here might be a little too dark for me. I could maybe get away with this one, the lighter one. This one, I feel like, ooh, that's a very dramatic contour for someone as fair as me. This is the lightest shade that they have. The highlight, a little too golden than what I like, but let's swatch them anyway. The highlight especially, because yeah, that's a little too golden for me. I feel like this would actually look really nice on someone with like a medium complexion, medium like tan complexion, or honey, you know, light brown complexion. This just, I feel like they could have went lighter than this. Like they could have given me a champagne color. Like what I typically like in a highlight is one that looks more silvery, or if it is golden, it's just ever so slight. Ever so slightly. Not this like full on gold. Like that's just a bold gold. I think I could use that as an eyeshadow. Let's try the light contour. Wow, that's dark. I mean, I'm sure I could blend it in to my cheekbone, but it's very noticeable. And then this one, definitely no way. There's no way I could pull this color off. But it's interesting. I think you guys come back to my channel. I will create a look using these products so that you guys can see them all coming together, and then we can judge it there on my skin. But yeah, thank you so much, Revolution Beauty, for sending me products and PR. Looking forward to trying some of your future products. You could send me something else. I would gladly review it on my channel. Yeah, so that was basically the topic of this video. And I'm going to be filming, I'm going to try to do at least 2 more right now while I'm sitting here. So check back on my channel. There should be more videos uploaded ASAP very soon. and also let me know what you guys would like to see. Oh, I do have a question. Have you tried Revolution Beauty? And what products do you like or recommend from the brand? Because I'm going to check out more of their products. I'm very impressed with what I tried today, and I want to see what else they have, because that quality it's nice. And if it's affordable, ooh, I'm on it. That is cute stuff. Wow. Alrighty, so I'm gonna sign off for now, but thanks for stopping by my channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can get them new videos up and get my views up, and show me some love, show me some support, because I do truly appreciate it. Thanks, you guys. Talk to you next time. Peace.